Are you preparing for the IMAT exam and feeling overwhelmed by scattered resources and confusing theory?
Welcome to our IMAT Test Preparation Platform, your complete one-stop solution designed specifically for international medical aspirants like you. Here, we don't just give you notes or video lectures. We build your concepts from the ground up.
Each topic is carefully structured to cover every concept, important definitions, and key formulas.
All explained in simple, easy-to-understand language.
You'll find collapsible theory cards, step-by-step solved examples, and high-quality MCQs.
With detailed explanations for every option, just like the real IMAT exam. Chemistry, biology, physics, math, or logical reasoning set. Our tools break down problems in a way that helps you understand the why, not just the what. And the best part? Everything is built using clean, interactive tools. No more buffering videos or searching on Google.
Start your journey with us and prepare smarter, not harder. Let's crack IMAT together.